how to fix your mouse cursor is stuck in the center of the screen. So if you can't move your mouse and it's stuck in the middle, I'm going to show you 3 ways on how to solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is just come over to your laptop keyboard and then try enabling and disabling the touchpad. Now on my computer, I need to press the F6 key, and you can see this will disable the touchpad. I can then press this again to re-enable it. Now if this doesn't work for you, you can try pressing one of the other F keys. So on your laptop, it might be F5, F6, F7, and so forth. You can also try pressing the FN key and also F6 at the same time, and sometimes you can use that to enable and disable the touchpad. Now if it's still not working, then just hold your finger down on the power button for around about 30 seconds. So even when the screen goes black, just continue to hold this button down, and after about 30 seconds you can then go in, release this button. You can then turn your computer back on and your mouse cursor issue should now be fixed. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your start menu. You can then search for Device Manager and click on this window. Click on the drop down arrow next to Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Go and right click on your mouse and press Uninstall Device. Now click on Uninstall. Once you've done this, you will need to restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, your mouse cursor should now be working.